So I found a couple really good work from home jobs that are beginner friendly. One of them will train you. It starts in July, and the other one really doesn't require related work experience. So these are really good opportunities if you want to get a start in a career in human resources, or you're just looking for a really good work from home job that's beginner friendly. So enough filly farting, let's jump right into them. So both of these jobs come to us from the company Business Solver. They've been around since 1998, and they provide employee benefits administration technology and services. So the first job I want to share is for an employee benefits advocate. This job is full-time remote. You can do it anywhere within the contiguous 48 United States. So this job starts July 7th, and they'll train you, and your shift will be Monday through Friday, 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time Zone hours, but you don't have to live in the Central Time Zone. Just translate your local hours to those hours. And when it comes to your training schedule, I assume it'll be a similar, if not the same shift. So your main responsibility in this job will be to take inbound calls regarding employee benefit enrollment on behalf of the company's clients. You'll respond accurately and thoroughly to caller inquiries and document call detail accordingly, ensuring compliance in all areas of processing, completing all transactions timely and accurately, while taking accountability for entire process from receipt to work resolution. So this is a really good opportunity if, for one, you want to get your foot in the door in human resources, and second, if you're looking for a really good work from home job that starts in July and will train you. So if you have some customer service experience, this job has your name on it. They prefer, but they don't require, they prefer you have prior benefit administration, insurance brokerage, or insurance provider experience. That's just preferred, it's not required. And of course, you need to be comfortable with technology, and you have your typical soft skills. And you need your typical internet connection. Ethernet cable connection is highly recommended. Now, I didn't mention the salary. Scrolling back up a little bit, they tell us they'll pay you $20 per hour. So the next job is also with Business Solver. This is a very beginner-friendly opportunity. It's for a compensation analyst. It's full-time remote anywhere in the contiguous 48 United States. And it's possible this job can be done either full or part-time. I say that because at the bottom of the job description, they have this statement. It reads, if this position is full-time or part-time benefit eligible, you'll receive a comprehensive benefits package which can be viewed here. And they have a link to their benefits page. So I'm not 100% sure on this, but I have a feeling you can do this job either full or part-time. You'll have to confirm that with them. So in this job, you'll work closely with engagement business partners and business leaders to align compensation objectives and efforts, along with providing consultation, advice, and guidance in support of business goals. So that means you'll provide support to HR and business professionals on the execution, implementation, and administration of compensation programs and policies to help attract, retain, and motivate employees. So you'll perform a variety of analysis. You'll do some research, evaluation, and market reviews, build compensation models, prepare written exhibits, summaries, and recommendations, and you'll also give presentations on compensation programs to management and employee groups. And you'll do some compensation survey benchmarking, input, and reporting. So they're really not requiring related experience in this job, nor do they require a degree. They tell us they prefer a bachelor's in business, accounting, or finance, and that's just preferred. It's not required. And as far as related experience, they're asking for 0 to 3 years experience in compensation analysis. They tell us they're open to recent and soon-to-be graduates. So yep, this job is beginner-friendly. So of course you need strong analytical skills. You're proficient in data analysis tools such as Excel, HRIS systems, and compensation software. You have knowledge of compensation principles, market pricing, and job evaluation methodologies, and you have excellent communication and interpersonal skills. You can handle sensitive information with discretion and maintain confidentiality. You're detail-oriented, and you're able to multitask. And when it comes to the salary, right here on the job description, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $45,000 to $70,000 per year. So that's all I have for you in this video, a couple beginner-friendly work-from-home job. One of them starts July 7th and will train you, and the other one really doesn't require related experience. Hopefully one of them works out for you, and if you're looking for more work-from-home jobs, you can find some in this video right here. So thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.